Nangyari? Oh. Kumuha kang chocolate. Ano oras dumating si Mami? Ha? Oh. And then? Oh. You didn't watch cartoon today. Because? Tita Kiray went to office. Oh. Wawa naman si Johan. Walang cartoon. How? O binawasan niyo yung chocolates ko? Binawasan niya. Oh. Anong kinuha mo doon? Anong kinuha mong chocolates? Yung KitKat? Yung KitKat ang kinuha mo? Ha? Papalitan naman ni Daddy. Papalitan ni Daddy yung chocolates. Oh, gusto mo nang mag-mall? Trinoma. Gusto mo mag-mall? Trinoma? Ha? Oh. How was your day? Without Tita Kiray, Mommy, and Uncle Dan. How was your day? Is it good? Huh? You wanna go to Trinoma? Yes? Oh. You wanna go? Bye-bye na. Say bye. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Bye. Good night. Good night. Choo-choo-choo-choo. Choo-choo-choo-choo.